So we have Arun's present age in years is 40% that of Barun's. And in another few years, Arun's age will be half of Barun's. Now, by what percentage will Barun's age increase during this period? That is the question. We can definitely solve this with equation, but I'm showing you a faster method to begin with. So we have Arun's present age in years in 40% of that of Barun's. So the ratio of Arun's age and Barun's age. So this is the present one. So the present one are in the ratio 2 is to 5. So this is what we have. Now in another few years, so a few years after this, we have Arun's age half of Barun. So this ratio, the same age ratio will become 1 by 2. Now, this is something I always discuss in my classes. We have the difference of the age that should remain constant throughout the timeline, right? So if the difference remains constant, so let me take an example here, 10 minus 7, so that is 3. 11 minus 8, that is also 3. 12 minus 9, also 3. So if the difference remain constant, I hope you can see that each value are increasing and decreasing by the same value, right? I mean, if 10 is increasing by 2, then the 7 is also increasing by 2. So the difference in the ages of the respective person, that should also be equal, and the difference of the two persons age should also be equal. So let us first get the parity here, so you'll understand what I'm saying. So just by reading the question, you should understand that Arun's age and Barun's age difference should remain constant, because the same two people here. So here we have a difference of 3, right? And on this side, we have a difference of 1. So in order to get that parity, first of all, we need to multiply 3. So in order to do that, I need to multiply 3 to both of these numbers. So now what we have is 2 and 5 for the present age, and 3 and 6 for after a few years. Now you can see, this is what I was talking about. You can see that the difference in ages, the increase in age becomes equal, right? So this should have happened. Now, as soon as this happens, so now we can deal with these values. In the question that might have said after these many years, so in that case, you could have scaled up accordingly later on. But in this case, we had simply asked for percentage will Barun's age increase during the period. So we can just go by these numbers itself. So we can assume that the current age of Barun is 5. And after a few years, his age will be 6. So it's increasing by 1 out of 5. So that is 20%. That should be the answer to this question. So this is this is the simplest way to solve this problem. So I hope that was understood. It's a very easy question. It should take hardly a minute to get it. Even if you solve using variables, you can solve using variables. You can consider something like this: 2x and 5x are the ages initially. After some n years, the age ratio becomes 1 by 2. So once you do this, what you will get is you will get a relation between x and n. So now, assuming that Barun's age initially was 5x, after that many years, the age becomes 5x plus n. Now you put down those values. So let me complete that. So let me show this method as well. So this is using variables. This will take a bit of time, slightly more than this, but then that is also fine. This is also with basics itself. So you can just resolve this. So you get 4x plus 2n is equal to 5x. So this is n, by the way. 5x plus n. And that is giving us x is equal to n, right? So once you know this, you have assumed that Barun's age was 5x initially. So we have 5x age of Barun presently. And because x is equal to n, so you can substitute this with x. So later on, Barun's age becomes 6x. So 5x to 6x. Now again, you can see this is 20%. So this is using the variables. But if you have a simple question like this, this is much faster. If you practice this idea, then you can actually solve questions like these within 20 seconds. So roughly this should take 20 seconds to solve. So that is for this question. Thank you.